Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia teaching Maths 1st Standard 8th in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 14 Compound Interest. Let's continue with practice set 14.2. In my last session, children, I had completed with 5 word problems. Today, we will go for the 6th problem. That is, a loan of rupees 15,000 was taken on compound interest. If the rate of compound interest is 12% per annum, find the amount to settle the loan after 3 years. Now here children, what is the loan taken? 15,000. What is the interest? 12%. For how many years? 3 years. And what have you to find out? Amount. Correct. So your principal here is what? 15,000. R is your 12%. N is your 3 years. And you are going to find out the amount. Correct. So first you are going to write down the formula. That is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Then you are going to substitute the values. Therefore, A is equal to 15,000 1 plus 12 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 15,000 cross multiply 100 plus 12 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 15,000 at 112 upon 100 to the power of 3. Therefore, A is equal to 15,000 into 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100 into 112 upon 100. After cancellation, A is equal to 15 into 112 into 112 into 112 upon 1000. So, after multiplying, you will get 21073920 upon 1000. Again cancellation. Then amount is equal to, with the decimal point, amount is equal to rupees 21073.92. That is 21,073.92. So, the amount to settle the loan is rupees 21,073.92. The 7th sum. A principal amounts to rupees 13,924 in 2 years by compound interest at 18% per annum. Find the principal. Now here children, you are going to find out the principal when amount is given as 13,924. Rate of interest is given as 18% and number of years is given as 2 years. So first you are going to write down the formula, that is A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. So therefore amount is given to you. So 13,924 is equal to, you have to find out P. So P1 plus 18 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore 13,924 is equal to P cross multiply 100 plus 18 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore, 13,924 is equal to P 118 upon 100 to the power of 2. Next step, therefore, 13,924 is equal to P into 118 upon 100 into 118 upon 100. Now, when this goes to your left hand side, it gets reciprocal. So, therefore, 13,924 into 100 upon 118 into 100 upon 118 is equal to P. Then, after your cancellation, you will get 3,481 into 100 into 100 upon 59 into 59 is equal to P. So after multiplying, you will get 34 810000 upon 3481 is equal to P. So after dividing it, the P will be 10,000. So there your principal is what? Your principal is rupees 10,000. The eighth sum. The population of the suburb is 16,000. Find the rate of increase in the population if the population after 2 years is 17,640. Now here children, what is your present population? Your present population is 16,000. That will be your P. And number of years is 2. And population after 2 years is what? 17,640. So that will be your amount. And what have you to find out? Rate of interest. So first you are going to write down the formula. A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Now substitute the values. So what is your amount here? 17,640 is equal to, your P is 16,001 plus R you are going to find out. So R upon 100 to the power of 2. Now this 16,000, when it comes to your left hand side, it gets converted into division. So this will become, and therefore 17,640 upon 16,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of 2. Now after dividing 17,640 by 16,000, you will get 1.1025 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of 2. Now you remove this decimal point. After you remove this decimal point, it will become 11025 upon 10,000 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of 2. Now this 11025 upon 10,000, what is the square root of that? 11025, the square root of 11025 is 105 and square root of 10,000 is 100. So 105 upon 100, the whole square is equal to 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of 2. Now both are squares. So when you remove the squares, it will be 105 upon 100 is equal to 1 plus R upon 100. Now this one, when it comes to your left hand side, it gets converted into subtraction. So this will become 105 upon 100 minus 1 is equal to R upon 100. Then cross multiplication. 105 minus 100 upon 100 is equal to R upon 100. So 105 minus 100 is 5 upon 100. Now is equal to R upon 100. Now this R upon 100, this 100, when it comes to left hand side, it gets converted into multiplication. So 5 upon 100 into 100 is equal to R. 100 gets cancelled. So therefore R is equal to 5% per annum. In how many years rupees 700 will amount to rupees 847 at a compound interest rate of 10% per annum? Now here children, your principal is rupees 700, rate is 10% per annum, and rupees 847 is your amount, and you are going to find out number of years. So first you are going to write down the formula, that is A is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Then substitute the value. So 847 is equal to 700, 1 plus 10 upon 100 to the power of N. Now 700, when it comes to your left hand side, it gets converted into division. So 847 upon 700 is equal to 100 plus 10 upon 100 to the power of N. After cancellation, you get 121 upon 100 is equal to 11 upon 10 to the power of N. So 121 upon 100, what is the square root of that? 11 upon 10. That means 11 upon 10 to the power of 2. When you multiply 2 times, you will get 121 upon 10. So 11 upon 10, the whole square is equal to 11 upon 10 the whole raised to n. So what is your n? N is 2. So number of years required is 2. The last sum of your practice set 14.2. Find the difference between simple interest and compound interest on 20,000 at 8% per annum. Now here children, your principal is rupees 20,000. Your rate is 8% and they have not given you number of years. So you have to assume it as 2 years. Now first, to find out simple interest, you are going to use the formula PNR upon 100. So simple interest is equal to 20,000 into 2 into 8 upon 100. So after cancellation, your simple interest is rupees 3,200. Now you are going to find out the amount to find out the compound interest. So first you are going to find out the amount by using the formula A is equal to P1 plus R upon 100 to the power of N. Now substitute the value. A is equal to 20,000, 1 plus 8 upon 100 to the power of 2. A is equal to 20,000, 100 plus 8 upon 100 to the power of 2. Therefore, A is equal to 20,000 into 108 upon 100 into 108 upon 100. So after cancellation, your amount is equal to 2 into 108 into 108. So after multiplication, your amount will be rupees 23,328. Now you are going to find out the compound interest. So compound interest, amount minus principal. So what is your amount? Your amount is 23,328 minus what is your principal? 20,000. So after subtracting, your compound interest is 3,328. Now you are going to find out the difference between compound interest and simple interest. So difference is equal to compound interest minus simple interest. So what was your compound interest? Your compound interest is 3,328 minus simple interest is 3,200. So after subtracting, the difference is rupees 128. So difference between compound interest and simple interest is rupees 128. With this, I complete with chapter number 14, compound interest. Hope children you have understood. Thank you and God bless.